Yeah, everyone write present in the chat box. Yeah, everyone can see the screen. मतलब see the PPT.
Yes, sir.
तो कहना है कुछ अलग ही है. ठीक है, ये ठीक है. ठीक है, चलो. Everyone has written present, sir, in the chat box. I'll mark it as an attendance for you. Okay, so today, as I've told you yesterday, fifth module will start. Okay, fourth module theory we have did, and a small part of theory is we can revise it later on also. So I thought I'll resume it from the fifth module. Fifth and sixth we will do, and then we'll again come back to the problems of fourth module, and then again we'll kind of do problems of third and fourth combined, maybe very much later on. Okay, fifth and sixth module are total theory, what do you say, theory module. Okay, and it doesn't have any problems. Third and fourth had some problems, so third and fourth were very small in terms of theory. So yeah, fifth and sixth module are pretty big. So this fifth module might take, I don't know, maybe 4 or 5 lectures, or maybe more than that. And same goes for sixth module as well. So fifth module में it is very interesting. There are a few things, few terminologies, and all stuffs are there. Okay, so and also it is important from the exam point of view also. Okay, so if अरे ठीक है, so फिर अभी कितने हैं? क्या है? कहीं है कि नहीं? ठीक है. ठीक है, तो we'll start with fifth module. I'll just give a brief. थोड़ा I had delayed your lecture. Okay. And fifth module will consist of this acquisition takeovers, meaning types of takeovers basically, or acquisitions, friendly, hostile takeovers, and many other types are there. Then anti-takeover strategies, anti-takeover amendments. Okay, this forms your most interesting part of the entire mergers acquisition subject. Then legal aspects of M&A, Combination and Competition Act of 2002, Competition Commission of India, CCI, SEBI substantial takeover, acquisition of shares and takeovers. Okay, this forms the part where the economy of a country and the merger, or the industry, that particular industry and the merger, that is being considered. ठीक है, so this is the corporate stuff. ठीक है, बहुत हाई लेवल कॉर्पोरेट डिस्कशन में, या फिर कंपटीशन कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया है. ठीक है, ये बहुत पहले एमआरटीपी था, मोनोपोलिस्टिक रिस्ट्रिक्टिव ट्रेड, monopolistic restrictive trade practices tha. Then later on in 2002 the Competition Commission of India came into existence. Basically this commission is being set up in order to avoid any kind of monopoly to be created in any kind of industry. ठीक है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर telecommunication industry is there, and if suppose Reliance Jio acquires Airtel, Vodafone Idea. Imagine if Reliance acquires Airtel and Vodafone Idea, then Reliance will naturally have a kind of a monopoly in the telecom business. Okay, the other small like BSNL and Reliance Telecom, the other Reliance, they will not do any change in the telecom business. They'll just have to follow whatever the pricing and the schemes of Reliance Jio is. Okay, if so, that should not be the case. The customer pays, okay, or the competition should not get eliminated. So that's the reason Competition Commission of India is set up, so that they'll make sure that that kind of merger should not happen. Airtel should not be acquired by Jio, or Vodafone Idea should also be not be acquired. Okay, so big companies like those should not be acquired, so a monopoly cannot be created. So that is all you are going to study in the later part of fifth module. ये क्यों करते हैं ऐसा, why it is required, and which kind of market. इकोनॉमिक्स में थोड़ा सा I'll go through. ठीक है, फ्री मार्केट में how it was different, how monopoly में what is the situation, monopolistic competition में what is the difference, oligopoly में what is the thing. Like just now ये जो नेटवर्क बिजनेस है, टेलीकॉम बिजनेस है, where Jio, Airtel, Vodafone Idea, ये सब है, this is a oligopoly market. Okay, there are few sellers, they are selling same kind of products and same kind of service, and many customers are there. Okay, so this is an oligopoly market, and how Competition Commission of India is taking care so that oligopoly should not become a monopoly. So ये सब in the later part. In the initial part, what we are going to study, I'll just discuss that today. ठीक है, इसमें क्या है, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मर्जर को लीव असाइड. मर्जर क्या था, हॉरिजॉन्टल मर्जर क्या था, ठीक है, यू जस्ट रिमेंबर व्हाट वाज दैट. ठीक है, इट इज रिलेटेड टू फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड मॉड्यूल मैक्सिमम. हॉरिजॉन्टल मर्जर, वर्टिकल मर्जर, कॉन्ग्लोमरेट मर्जर, फिर व्हाट आर द टाइप्स ऑफ मर्जर, व्हाट आर द स्टेप्स ऑफ मर्जर, ये सब था. एक्विजिशन में है ना, इसमें क्या हो रहा है, ये एक्विजिशन इट कैन बी ऑफ सम एसेट्स, कोई टैंजिबल एसेट्स का, कोई इनटैंजिबल एसेट्स का हो सकता है. एक्विजिशन ऑफ राइट्स एंड अदर ऑब्लिगेशंस, and acquisition is also called as a takeover. So in this module we are going to study that there is one company who is there are two things. In one company is taking over another company. Like in the third module numericals, we discussed there is a acquirer company and there is a target company. So acquirer company is going to take over target company. So that takeover can be friendly takeover, like share repurchase किया, ये किया, negotiation किया. It can be friendly or it can be hostile, forceful, जबरदस्ती का takeover. नहीं मेरे को नहीं बेचना है, नहीं मेरे को खरीदना ही है, like that kind of a takeover. So during that time, what the target company, if they don't want to sell, what the target company will do to avoid the takeover. ठीक है, वो takeover के क्या क्या what you say नुस्खे हैं which that takeover company applies. ठीक है, what are the strategies which the takeover companies implement in order to take care of their company. ठीक है, that is the reason वो acquisition, the acquiring company को there are different names like raider. ठीक है, Tom Raider जैसा, it's a raider, it is coming to attack. ठीक है, it's an attacker. ठीक है, and the target company is putting on its defense लगा रहे. Okay, So it is protecting itself so from the attacker. So how to protect itself in the corporate scenario, in the corporate structure, how to protect itself, how to prevent itself before the attacker comes. If the attacker is coming beforehand, we will just do a kind of a prevention. Okay. Or if the attacker comes and it is attacking now, okay, it is buying our share, it is convincing our shareholders, ये सब कर रहा है. Now what we can do to avoid the takeover? तो ये सब डिफेंसिव मेजर्स है. तो ये सब है ना, वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी इन दिस मॉड्यूल कि कैसे बचें, हाउ टू सेव आवर सेल्फ बाय एक्विजिशन. ठीक है, बिकॉज एक्विजिशन विल बी, द एक्वायरर विल बी जनरली अ बिगर कंपनी एंड द टारगेट कंपनी विल बी अ स्मॉलर कंपनी. ठीक है, छोटा कंपनी है, बड़ा कंपनी आ रहा है एक्वायर करने के लिए, तो व्हाट वी कैन डू. तो ये सब है इसमें. तो उसके पहले जस्ट एक टाइप ऑफ एक्विजिशन वी आर स्टडी. इसमें क्या है, there are friendly takeovers. ठीक है, also called as consent takeovers. What we did in the this numerical of third modules. ठीक है, friendly takeover था. Everyone will come on the same table. The acquiring company will come, the target company will come. They will negotiate. They will decide what is the exchange ratio जो भी था. Then how the assets will be transferred to the acquiring company, how the human resources, they will not be removed from the company, or else what will be the, who will be the head, or everything. How can we develop synergy, how can both the companies work efficiently after the acquisition. So ये सब discussions रहेंगे. So it is a kind of a consent taken from the party, and both the parties are happy. The target company and the acquiring company, both the parties are happy. ठीक है, चलो हो गया, डील हो गया हम लोग का, वी आर सेलिंग यू द कंपनी. ठीक है, सो दैट इज अ काइंड ऑफ अ फ्रेंडली टेक ओवर. इन द नेक्स्ट टाइप विच इज हॉस्टाइल टेक ओवर, इसमें द कंपनी डजंट वांट टू सेल देयर कंपनी. मेरे को नहीं बेचना है मेरा कंपनी, बट सामने वाले को खरीदना ही है. हाँ, जैसे कि सेम है इन द फ्रेंडली टेक ओवर, यू कैन कंसिडर द वोडाफोन आइडिया डील एज अ फ्रेंडली टेक ओवर. Okay, Idea was anyways not able to do, and Vodafone also was not able to do the business. So better they decide we'll come together and we'll make a new company. Okay, we'll work together and we can expand our business. Okay, we'll have more customers, we'll have more towers, we'll have more manpower and more strategies, more new ideas we can develop. So we'll work together so that we can survive in the market rather than competing with them, with ourselves, and there are bigger players who are eating our business. So उसके लिए साथ में काम करते हैं. That is a friendly takeover. Vodafone Idea. Hostile takeover में the company doesn't want to sell. Okay, Mindtree didn't wanted to sell to L&T. So Mindtree ने बहुत avoid किया. They tried 6 months to so that L&T should not acquire our company. ठीक है, ये बहुत ट्राई किया Mindtree ने, but L&T was successful in acquiring that. ठीक है, तो hostile takeover में नहीं हमको नहीं करना है. Okay, then next one is bailout takeover. Okay, bailout takeover में the target company, okay, which is getting acquired, the target company will be in a certain situation. It will be a kind of a sick company, or else it is undergoing very intense problem. There is a huge problem with the target company. They are not able to work there, survive in the market. They are not able to handle the company properly. There is a cash crunch. They are undergoing losses. ये बहुत problems है target company का. So target company wants someone come and acquire me, like Air India is undergoing now. Air India, the company wants that someone should take over our company so that our employees can be paid properly, our rents, the fuel charges, the maintenance of the aircraft can be taken over. मतलब पूरा company को there should be someone, someone should come, some big businessman like Reliance or maybe Adani or Tata. ठीक है, they should come and save our business. ठीक है, because we cannot close down the business because there is huge manpower, there are huge fleet of aircrafts and huge liabilities are there. Okay, so someone come and take over our business. So if someone comes, like Tata was under the discussion, as it was Tata Airlines. If you know the history of Air India, it was actually a Tata Airlines, and then it was taken over by the Indian government, and then it became Indian Airlines, and then sorry, Air India, and then now again it has been offered to Tata. So let's see what happens. But that is the situation in which the target company becomes sick and it is not able to survive in the market, and it is actually approaching the company to take over my company. करके. So during that time, it is a kind of a bailout takeover also. Bailout takeover has happened when Jaguar Land Rover approached Tata Motors. Okay, that we are not able to survive in the Indian market. We have huge losses. Please buy our company. Okay, so Tata bought Jaguar Land Rover, and as a it was a bailout takeover. Okay, not a Tata Motors didn't wanted to buy it. Okay, it was not a friendly takeover. It is definitely a friendly takeover, but Tata Motors didn't wanted to buy it. But Jaguar Land Rover wanted to sell it to someone, so they approached Tata. Okay, so it is a kind of a bailout takeover when the target company is not in a situation to run their business properly. Okay, and the last नहीं last नहीं second last शायद देखते हैं एक मिनट. हाँ या second last. इसमें रिवर्स टेक ओवर में ना उल्टा कुछ नहीं हो रहा है. इन रिवर्स टेक ओवर जनरली it's what you say, the takeover between public and private company. ठीक है, you know what is a public company and what is a private company. Private company is not listed on stock exchange. Okay, their shares are not freely tradable. No one can buy the shares of a private company. Public company is publicly available. It is listed on stock exchange. Public can buy the shares of those company. Okay, our Flipkart is a private company. Our what do you say? Maybe any IT company, Tech Mahindra, Infosys, TCS is a public company. ठीक है, स्नैपडील, फ्लिपकार्ट, जोमेटो, ये सब प्राइवेट कंपनीज हैं. इनके शेयर्स लिस्टेड नहीं है स्टॉक मार्केट में. ठीक है, ओला और ये सब. ठीक है, सो in this case a private company is acquiring public company. If that is the case, then it is a reverse takeover. ठीक है, a private company is acquiring public company, then it is a case of reverse takeover. Okay, generally, why reverse takeover? Generally, but when we go through the step of the, what do you say, growth of the company, then we feel, okay, one man company will be a smaller company, partnership will be pretty much bigger company, private company will be greater than partnership, public company will be a huge company. ठीक है, बहुत बड़ा कंपनी है, लिस्टेड है स्टॉक एक्सचेंज में. जनरली दैट इज द फेज ऑफ ग्रोथ विच इज बीन सीन. ठीक है, so a smaller company, so it is as per that imagination, a smaller company which is a private company is acquiring a larger company which is a public company. ऐसे चल रहा है. So that's the case. It is termed as reverse takeover कि छोटा कंपनी बड़ी कंपनी को टेक ओवर कर रहा है. Okay, so in this case our छोटा company is private company and बड़ा company is public company. Okay, so public company is the target and the private company is the acquiring company. इसको reverse takeover बोलते हैं. And generally why they do it, a private company करता क्यों है? Suppose Flipkart wants to become public. ठीक है, then what is the step, how they can become public? अच्छा, can anyone answer? If Flipkart wants to become a public company, then how they can become a public company? It's a private limited, right? Don't reply in the chat box, just unmute and answer if anyone knows. अगर एक प्राइवेट कंपनी को पब्लिक कंपनी बनना है, ओके, हाउ इट कैन बिकम फ्रॉम प्राइवेट टू पब्लिक? सम प्रोसेस में. ठीक है, नहीं पता किसी को, नहीं याद है किसी को, पता तो है सबको बट याद नहीं है. So in second module, in second semester we studied something about IPO, initial public offering. Initial public offering क्या होता है? When a private company uh, goes through the process of IPO, prospect, red herring prospectus और ये सब entire process where investment bank comes. Third module में पढ़ा था investment banking functions में. Investment bank comes and takes that company, does due diligence, does the marketing of an IPO. Then after that it will be, there will be 3 days of bidding process. Then after that bidding, if 90% of the shares I have acquired have been bought or been or bidding of 90% of the shares or more than that has been done, then the public can be listed on stock exchange from the next day. ठीक है, तो ये प्रोसेस होता है आईपीओ का. एंड दिस प्रोसेस इज वेरी लेंदी एंड वेरी टाइम कंज्यूमिंग एंड वेरी कॉस्टली प्रोसेस. तो ये बहुत बड़ा प्रोसेस हो गया ना आईपीओ का, फॉर अ पब्लिक कंपनी टू बिकम अ प्राइवेट कंपनी. शॉर्टकट क्या है? जस्ट प्राइवेट कंपनी है, इट इज एक्वायरिंग पब्लिक कंपनी एंड इट बिकम्स पब्लिक कंपनी. खत्म. if Flipkart acquires maybe a smaller company, जैसे कोई भी छोटा सा कंपनी कोई भी एक्वायर किया फ्लिपकार्ट ने, मे बी मदर्स एंड सुमी करके एक स्मॉल कंपनी है विच इज लिस्टेड ऑन स्टॉक एक्सचेंज, नॉट इन निफ्टी 50 बट इट इज अ प्रिटी ओके कंपनी. ठीक है, छोटा छोटा सा, इतना बड़ा भी कंपनी नहीं है एज कम्पेयर टू फ्लिपकार्ट, बिकॉज फ्लिपकार्ट हैज बीन कंट्रोल्ड बाय वॉलमार्ट नाउ. सो वॉलमार्ट आके मदर्स एंड सुमी खरीद लिया, मतलब फ्लिपकार्ट के थ्रू. देन मदर्स एंड सुमी इज लिस्टेड ऑन स्टॉक एक्सचेंज. ठीक है, तो फ्लिपकार्ट विल चेंज इट्स नेम समवॉट एंड मदर्स एंड सुमी का कुछ तो नया नाम बना के इट विल रन एज अ पब्लिक कंपनी. ठीक है, इजी है ना प्राइवेट कंपनी को पब्लिक कंपनी बनने के लिए. just acquire one small public company and you can become a public company. Again, not to go the entire process of an IPO. So that's the reason reverse takeover takes place. Just a kind of a shortcut. Okay. Next, last one is types of acquisition. Backflip takeover. In this backflip takeover, man, it is a kind of a takeover in which what you can say, the company which is acquiring, ठीक है, which is the acquiring company और target company दो है ना, acquiring है target है. Acquiring company is coming and acquiring the target, ये इसको खा रहा है जैसे. Okay, that is generally it is considered कि acquiring company is coming and target company, the existence of target company goes off and only the acquiring company becomes bigger and it stays in the market. इसमें क्या हो रहा है बैक फ्लिप टेक ओवर में? acquiring company, ठीक है, is going to target company. ठीक है, एंड आफ्टर द एक्विजिशन, ये सब होने के बाद में ओनली टारगेट कंपनी रिमेन्स. ठीक है, एक एक्वायरिंग कंपनी चला जाता है. द ओनर्स ऑफ एक्वायरिंग कंपनी विल बी देयर बट द नेम ऑफ द कंपनी विल बी अ काइंड ऑफ which is there for the target company. ठीक है, वन एग्जांपल फ्रॉम मूवी, इफ एनीवन हैज सीन रॉकेट सिंह, ठीक है, रंजीत सिंह ने रॉकेट सिंह करके एक मूवी है, सेल्समैन ऑफ द ईयर, रॉकेट सिंह करके मूवी है. इन दैट मूवी a bigger company is there which is AYS करके कंपनी रहता है, and a smaller company which is Rocket Singh Corporation. In that, Rocket Singh Corporation takes over the market. ठीक है, it identifies what are the complaints of the customers who are the customers of AYS. So what are the complaints of those customers, and Rocket Singh Corporation try to eliminate those complaints through their services. So the customers of AYS start switching to the Rocket Singh Corporation. रॉकेट सेल से या रॉकेट सिंह कॉर्पोरेशन को शिफ्ट होना स्टार्ट होता है. सो एवाईएस आइडेंटिफाइज दैट कि सब मेरे कस्टमर्स को चुरा रहा है. सो दैट्स द रीजन AYS acquires Rocket Singh Corporation and rename the company as Rocket Singh Corporation itself. वो उसको एक्वायर कर देता है, ठीक है. इट बाइज द कंपनी फ्रॉम रणबीर कपूर हु वाज द ओनर ऑफ रॉकेट सिंह. तो रॉकेट सिंह का एक्वायर करके इट रॉकेट सेल्स कॉर्पोरेशन को पूरा एक्वायर करके वो रीनेम कर देता है, एवाईएस को ही रीनेम कर देता है रॉकेट सेल्स कॉर्पोरेशन, सो दैट द कस्टमर्स ऑफ रॉकेट सेल्स कॉर्पोरेशन विल रिमेन and the old customers of AYS will also remain with the customers because their name was very famous. Rocket Sales Corporation became very famous. So वो name, only for that name it keeps it. ठीक है. But so technically when I am acquiring a company I should retain my name and the name of the target company should go off. But backflip takeover में उल्टा हो जाता है. Okay, one real example is about SBC and AT&T. Okay, SBC was a smaller company. ठीक है. It got cash rich. It is a telecom. It was a telecom company US में. Okay, SBC करके. And AT&T. AT&T is a very famous one, famous telecom company from past more than 50 years पुराना कंपनी है टेलीकम्युनिकेशन का. ठीक है. मोबाइल नहीं, नॉर्मल टेलीकम्युनिकेशन, लैंडलाइन का और ये इसका लाइंस का. So it was a very big company, AT&T, and SBC had recently was growing in the business and they acquired that AT&T. ठीक है. After acquisition, SBC thought AT&T has a good name in the market, so better we'll retain the name of AT&T and we will remove our name itself, SBC का. So that is the मतलब real life example, but it happened long back, around 10-15 years back. That is an example of a backflip takeover. उल्टा. ठीक है. So in this, in types of acquisition, friendly takeovers है. ठीक है. First type, by the consent of both the parties. Then there is hostile takeover, not forceful takeover from the target company. Then there is bailout takeover, in that the target company is very sick, in need that someone should take over my company, like Air India. Okay. And reverse takeover, in this, there is a takeover of a public company by a private company. ठीक है. प्राइवेट कंपनी आके पब्लिक कंपनी को टेक ओवर करता है. ओके, लाइक सो रिवर्स टेक ओवर. बैक फ्लिप टेक ओवर में इट इज the takeover by after the takeover, the acquiring company will change its name and the target company will remain in the market, but the owners of the target company will be the owners who were original owners of the acquiring company. जो acquiring company के owners थे, now they will become the owners of the target company. ये इतना था types of acquisition. ठीक है. So अभी in this, नेक्स्ट इज अबाउट डिफेंसिव मेजर्स. अभी ये सब जो टेक ओवर्स है ना, देर आर टाइप्स ऑफ टेक ओवर्स. इन दिस टेक ओवर्स को देर आर मेथड्स टू काइंड ऑफ अवॉइड कि मेरे को टेक ओवर नहीं होने देना. आई वॉन्ट टू सेव माई कंपनी, so I'll have some preventive measures. I'll take some prevention kind of. I'll build some vaccine and take the vaccine so that if anyone comes to attack me, I'll be pretty much safe. ठीक है. तो आई एम प्रिवेंटिंग माई सेल्फ बिफोर हैंड. ठीक है. बिफोर द अटैकर इवन आइडेंटिफाइज मी, मेरे को ढूंढने से पहले आई एम टेकिंग द मेजर्स. सो दैट इज माई प्रिवेंटिव मेजर्स. And then active or anti-takeover measures is kind of when the attacker is attacking, it has started to attack. Okay. The the what do you say? The bacteria or the virus has entered the body. Now it is attacking my blood cells, or my good active cells. Now my body is fighting with that. Okay, I'm taking medicines, I'm preparing my body, and my w my my blood cells are fighting with the bacteria and the viruses. So that during that fight, how what measures can be taken? So that is the anti takeover measurements. Preventive measurements, preventive measures, they are the original, before the attack even comes. ठीक है. वो आई शुड नॉट बिकम द टारगेट कंपनी इटसेल्फ. मैं टारगेट कंपनी बनना ही नहीं चाहिए. So to avoid that, there are preventive measures, and in that I have become the target company. Acquirer is standing out to acquire me. It is doing its preparations to attack me. So to block its attack, okay, to make the attacker weak or un to make myself or to take to make the target company very unattractive. अरे ये क्या फालतू की कंपनी है ऐसे होना चाहिए. They should not like our company. Okay, they should hate our company. So that can be done by anti-takeover measures. So how this I'll just go through and we'll not discuss now. ये बहुत बड़ा है. Poison pills, poison puts, people pill, shark repellent, dual capitalization, golden parachute, silver parachute, staggered or classified board. Yeah, these are the 8 types of preventive anti-takeover measures. ठीक है, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट भी है, इंटरेस्टिंग तो है, लेकिन इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू रिमेम्बर व्हाट इज देयर इन गोल्डन पैराशूट, व्हाट इज देयर इन सिल्वर पैराशूट, पीपल पिल में क्या है, पॉइजन पिल में क्या है. Okay, but once you understand or you develop your own स्ट्रैटेजी कि कैसे याद रखेंगे, पॉइजन पिल में क्या है, पीपल पिल में क्या है, सिल्वर पैराशूट, गोल्डन पैराशूट, शार्क रिपेलेंट, इसमें क्या है, तो यू कैन रिमेम्बर इट एंड यू कैन राइट ऑन योर ओन. ठीक है, ये सब कैसे है, एंड इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू फाइंड ईच रियल लाइफ ईच एग्जांपल फॉर ईच एंड एवरीथिंग, बट जितना आई हैव आई यूज दैट एंड आई एक्सप्लेन. ठीक है, for all the 8. For the remaining, which I don't have the real life example, I'll take any hypothetical example and put it in your mind. ये preventive measures है. ठीक है. Then there is something called as active measures. It means when the attacker has come and we are kind of a defensive measure. Defense कर रहे हैं हम. तो white knight, white square defense, green mail, white mail, Pac-Man defense, crown jewels lockup, share repurchase, divestiture, asset restructuring, and standstill agreement. Okay. These are the kinds of measures in which once the attacker has come, the acquiring company is attacking our firm. Now we have to now we have to defend ourselves. Okay. टारगेट कंपनी डिफेंड, और कभी भी डिफेंस में हम लोग इन रिटर्न मतलब वी डोंट गो फॉरवर्ड एंड स्टार्ट fighting. Okay, we generally stand on our ground firmly, and we try to avoid that attacker should not come to us. तो ऐसा कुछ मेजर्स है इसमें. वाइट स्क्वायर डिफेंस, वाइट नाइट, ग्रीन मेल, वाइट मेल, पैकमैन डिफेंस, क्राउन ज्वेल्स, लॉकअप, ये सब हम लोग करते हैं. ओके, द अटैकर शुड फील दैट कि अरे मैं जिसके लिए आ रहा था अभी तो वो है ही नहीं. ओके, लाइक दैट. It should feel that for what reason I was coming, that reason it does not exist now. So it is no use of coming and acquiring the company. ठीक है, तो ऐसे कुछ रहेगा. So we'll discuss this in detail. Okay, that this will take 2 lectures. Preventive के लिए एक lecture या maybe एक lecture and active measures के लिए एक lecture. So at least 2 lectures तो लगेंगे इस सब के लिए. So we'll discuss it in the next class itself. Thank you for listening. Before winding up, many people are messaging that we have sent it for plagiarism check, but no reply. It will take time. Okay, there are many colleges are there, many, so that software has been working slow. Yeah, so I don't know how much time it will take. It might take much more days. ठीक है, और 2-3 दिन भी लग सकता है टू गेट योर रिजल्ट्स, एंड मेनी पीपल हैव सेंड, सम हैव सेंड फॉर सेकंड चेक, थर्ड चेक, फर्स्ट चेक भी अभी भेजा है किसी ने. ठीक है, सो फर्स्ट चेक अभी शायद भेजा है कि नहीं पता नहीं. मैंने तो रिप्लाई किया. तो few of my students have just sent for first check also, second check also, and many of you have sent for third check also. So I don't know how many mails have been they have. So, and what is the response time of the that software. So it will take time. So be patient, and there's no use of messaging us, so we cannot do anything with that. So let's see what happens. So acha, any doubts in today's lecture, or shall we wind up? ठीक है then we'll wind up. चलो I hope everyone has risen present.